Wow! Berry pie? My favorite Oreos? There are so many treats here! Oh no! We have been tricked! There's not a single calorie in these office supplies! And for the first idea, you are going to need a pencil sharpener and a jam jar. Paint the jar from the inside. Hot glue the sharpener in it. This is such an amazing invention! Sharpen the pencil, and all the chips stay in the jar. And it looks exactly like a jar of raspberry jam from the outside. I'm disappointed! This is just a sharpener! Don't be upset! Now all your pencils will be nice and sharp! You probably have a new notebook with a cover you don't like. Take a piece of yellow foam paper. Glue it to the cover. Cut out the label from a pack of Skittles. Glue the letters to the new cover. Now take some light clay. Roll balls the shape of Skittles. Hot glue them to the cover. Wow! It looks delicious! I wish I could taste this rainbow cover. It looks cute and very tasty. Now take a notebook and sheets of yellow foam paper. Glue a strip of foam paper to the cover. Cut out several holes of different diameters on the big sheet. Insert the whole sheet under the one you just cut and glue them to the notebook cover. Cover the back with foam paper too. Attach a felt mouse face. Glue the second part of the mouse on the foam paper strip. Insert the bookmark in the notebook. The girls are bragging about their tasty office supplies. What do you have? A Skittles notepad? Give me at least one candy. Okay, well I have a whole cheese plate. Pull the tail. Don't be scared. The girls are in love with their new treats. They will be the only ones in class to have such delicious school supplies. For this idea, you are going to need a plastic cup and a bun donut. Turn the cup upside down and pull the donut around it. Draw a lettuce leaf on a sheet of green foam paper. Cut it out. Put the lettuce leaf inside a piece of paper. Iron it. Stretch the edges. Make a whole bunch of leaves. Cover the ring with leaves using hot glue. Just like that, leaf after leaf, until the cup turns into a cabbage. What an amazing cup! It looks like you can make salad out of it. Stop! This is my organizer! Yes, it's green and healthy. Now, babies aren't the only thing you can find in a cabbage patch. There are school supplies in here, too. Moving on. Take an Oreo and crayons. Pour silicone powder in a cup. Dissolve it in water and mix well. Apply an Oreo, leaving a print. Remove the crumbs using a brush. When the mold hardens, remove it from the cup. Put colored crayons in a glass container and melt them. Pour the wax in the Oreo mold. Be careful, don't get burned. Look at this! You made 2 halves of the cookie. You are going to need 2. Insert some filling between the halves. Heat it to glue the halves together. Make cookies of another color. Multicolored Oreo cookies? This is fantastic! Treat yourself! Oh, would you like to draw something? Colorful Oreos make bright, cute drawings. The main thing to remember is that these colorful cookies taste like wax. An eraser mixed with gum magically transforms into… Oh, you are about to see it for yourself! Cut the top of the gum to get it out of the package. Cut a piece of eraser to match the size of the chewing gum. Make a cut in the middle. You should get some real gum. Color the eraser with markers. Insert it in the package. Wow! It's magic! The chewing gum turned into an eraser. Love is erasing mistakes with soft, fruity gum. Do you like Love Is brand chewing gums? Let us know in the comments. For the next idea, you are going to need a table lamp and light clay. Cover the leg of the lamp with white acrylic paint. Cover the stand with yellow clay. Do the same with the lampshade. Make a teeny tip like it's a lemon. Attach green leaves to the base. Now you have got a little indoor lemon tree growing on your table. Maybe this lamp doesn't provide much light, but it'll definitely brighten your mood. Hello? Yes, go ahead. I'm writing. Hey, can you give me not an egg, a piece of paper? These are stickers for notes. Write down the phone number and tear off a paper egg. Cut out a frying pan from cardboard and take white sticky notes. Paint the pan dark gray. Cut egg whites out of sticky notes. Take yellow paint and a sponge. Print yellow circles on the stickers. Those will be the yolks. Glue the eggs to the pan. To make sure you can fasten the sticky notes to the fridge, glue a magnet on the back. Now take several pieces of felt and whiteout tape. Go over the whiteout tape on each of the pieces of felt. Cut out the shape. I wonder what we are making. Cut a strip of green felt. Attach the pieces of felt to the whiteout tape. From both sides. Glue the green strip onto the side. Draw a drop on a piece of brown felt. Cut it out and glue it to the green part of the tape. Glue on some googly eyes and a mouth. Who do we have here? Cute avocado whiteout. Stop using boring school supplies. Take an avocado. Oh, it's so soft and cute. Now mistakes have no chance. Let's move to the next idea. Cut a ring out of foam rubber. Hot glue a piece of foam paper onto the ring. Squeeze drops of red hot glue on the bottom of the piece. Stuff the pie with filling made out of different berries. Cut thin strips out of foam paper. Lay them crosswise on top of the pie. Hot glue the ends. Take a folder. Glue the berry pie to it. Don't even look at my pie! Better yet, let's stack our notebooks in the folder. A pie with a crispy crust? Your hungry classmates can't take their eyes off it. You will have to guard your things closely. And now take a glue stick and pieces of felt and foam paper. Cut out 2 strips from brown felt, a thick one and a thin one. Cut out a rectangle out of white foam paper. Wrap the glue stick in foam paper, then hot glue it. Glue the felt strips the same way. Paint the cap white. Print Nutella labels. Glue them to the foam paper. The Nutella glue is ready. Who doesn't like Nutella? There will be a place for this awesome thing in your pencil case, too! Did you like our tasty school supplies? Let us know in the comments which of these ideas you will definitely try. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your classmates. And don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss any bright ideas for school from Troom Troom Select.